One thing I just want to tell every immigrant, if you want to get out from the trap, you really need to use GIN strategy. GIN strategy is Google it now. Simple as that. So whenever you get to know about any kind of news regarding this, any kind of pathway, try to Google it. And now the next question is, what's our next plan? What is our next agenda? What are we going to do? So we are setting up meetings with the MPs and MPPs across Canada. We are not just showing up with stories on social media platform. We are showing up with facts, demand and community power. We want accountability, we want answers, and we will be keep pushing until we get them. Second is we have formed a united front with other provinces from Ontario to British Columbia, Alberta to Manitoba. We are now organizing together. This is not just a local issue. This is a national struggle and it needs to be a united national response. And also, let's talk about what's happening now. Yes, the federal government has introduced new immigration pathways, but the CRS scores remain sky high. So, who are these pathways really for? Because in the meantime, more and more workers are seeing their permits expire with no lifeline in sight. At the same time, the Ontario provincial government has announced changes to the PNP system. They are saying processing times will further increase as they are still processing files from previous years, and they now have the authority to reject application based on current labor market needs. So we ask, where does that leave the rest of us? Those of us who have already completed our Canadian experience, what about us? Those who have been working, paying taxes, contributing to this province and waiting for chance for permanent residency, now we are told that we might get rejected. Not because we did something wrong, but because the system is shifting the plan again. This is not fair and this is not okay. This is why we are back. And this is why we must all unite together. International students, migrant workers, community allies, and raise our voices together. This is not just an immigration issue, this is a worker issue. This is about fairness, dignity, and being treated like human beings, not disposable labor market. We want work permit extensions, fair and transparent PR pathways, and end to the uncertainty and silence. We are not asking for charity or direct PR. We are demanding justice, and we are here to say we are not temporary. We are part of this country and we are not going anywhere. Thank you. In unity, in strength, we rise together. Good enough to work, good enough to stay.